Hey folks, Russ here at Mike's Off-Road, and today we're going to talk a little bit about brand new Ford Expedition. This is the V6 EcoBoost. This is brand new. It's only got 1,000 miles on it. Customer wanted a little more elevation for in the Montana climate, and some new tires on it. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. You've heard us talk in the past about doing ReadyLift lift kits. That's what we did today. It's a 3-inch ReadyLift lift kit, which gives you a 2-inch bump in the front and 1 in the rear. And we put the brand new Nitto Recon Grappler A tire on this. This is a phenomenal new tire that just hit the market. We're starting to see them come in inventories, and we're putting them on vehicles now. These are a fantastic tire. They got a lot of grip, they got a lot of traction, they got a lot of curb appeal to them. Check them out. If you guys are in the market for tires and you're looking at those new Recons, hit us up and we'll see what we can do to get them on your rig for you. As you can see, 2021 Ford Expedition with a 3-inch bump. Those wheels, tires, everything fit nice and slim inside of there. They're not hanging out real far. They're still nice and tight, no rubbing issues, and it gives you a couple more inches of clearance so you can get over those obstacles you need to, get up and out of the snow where you need to. And it just looks, overall, it just looks phenomenal. The ReadyLift does a great job of making these lift kits. The vehicle is streamlined, looks fantastic, and it's not too bad on the budget either. So if you guys are in the market for a lift kit on your SUV or your newer SUVs or trucks, and you're looking for tires, hit us up there at Mike's Off-Road. You can talk to me or Dave, and we'll get you squared away. 406-586-4103. Thanks, guys.